Hey again, in this video I will show you how you could read the data that we already wrote it to the file. So to get started, I will just click right, create a new Python file, name it file, right? Okay. I say the name is exists, so it should be a file read because I'm reading data from the file now. So make sure you follow same pattern. For main, should be main here. I just want to make you comfortable with what we are doing, so I try to repeat every time, but you don't have to. You have to just copy it. So now I have it. So what I have, if you remember, I have this file named test. So I want to read this file. So how I read it, it's really easy process. Just I define variable named read file. Oh cool. Open. What's the file path? The path and same path. So just need to write the name of the file, test.txt. Then what's the process I want to do with the file I want to read? So I would say A, I think. What? I don't think what I don't know what I have. Right, read. I'm reading. So R, reading. Then this one will have too many data. I'll have all these lines inside it. So how I read them line by line? Just I'm doing for line in read file. Then I say alright. Just say print, hopefully line, just to print them line by line. And here we go. So I will continue printing. So make sure when you're done, you just close the file and you don't keep it open. So make sure always you close the file when you're done. So you take them, you read the file line by line, you move through them, then you print them. If you just click run, you have to see here is it. I'm Leah, Jenna, Hussein, Alex, and finish it. So here he was able to read all these data. Really basic and easy and simple way. Here we done, and thank you for watching.